Sa ngayon, ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo ang iba't ibang klase ng laws of exponent. First is the product rule. When multiplying powers having the same base, exponents are added. For any number x and y, so x and y represent any variable or a constant, and the positive integers m and n represent a exponent. First, product of a power. Ano ba yung product of a power? So kapag kayo naka-encounter ng ganito, so let's say x raised to m times x raised to n, so ang ginagawa lang natin kapag same base, nag-add lang tayo ng exponent. So ito x raised to m plus n. Number 2, power of a power. So ano nga ba ang power of a power? Kapag meron kayo makitang ganito, so minumultiply lang natin yung exponent. So exponent times by the exponent. Number 3, power of a product. What is a power of a product? So tulad na ito, minumultiply na natin yung again yung exponent by the exponent. So for example, exponent ng x dito is imaginary 1. So let's say 1 times m is equal to m. Ganun din sa y. Y raised to m. So ito lang yung kanyang magiging. First law of exponent is product of powers. So if you counter this example for number 1, 2 raised to 3 times 2 raised to 2. So kapag same base sila, all you have to do is to copy the base. We have 2 and i-add natin exponent. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Then kapag may mga constant tayo, so kukunin mo ang kanyang sagot. So multiply mo siya ng 5 times. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 32. Okay? So the same lang naman siya na, so itong 2 raised to 5, so equivalent siya ng 2 times 2 times 2, then we have another 2. So 2 times 2, 4, times 2, 8, times 2, 16, times 2 is equal to 32. Okay, example number 2. 3 times 3 raised to 2. So kapag wala kayo makita exponent dito, automatic meron siyang 1 na exponent. So we have 1, so copy natin yung base na 3, then add natin exponent. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 raised to 3. So ano bang equivalent ng 3 raised to 3? That is 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3 is equal to 27. Okay, ito yung sagot natin. So kapag mga constant ang given. Okay, example number 3. A raised to 4 times A raised to 6. So copy the base. And then add natin yung exponent. 6 plus 4. 4 plus 6 is equal to A raised to 10. Example number 4. So kapag ito B times 3, B raised to 3 times b raised to 5, copy the base, and add the exponent. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. b raised to 8. Okay, how about number 5? 2x squared times 3x raised to 4. So kapag ito example natin, multiply natin yung mga constant. 2 times 3, we have 6. Then copy natin yung base. Then add natin yung exponent. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Example number 6 last. So copy the base, x, add exponent, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Then we have the variable y. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So this is the final answer. So ito naman example natin under ng product of powers. Under the law of exponent of product rule is power of a power. So ito na example natin dyan. So kapag makita kayo ganito mga example, may exponent dito, may exponent sa labas, so minumultiply na natin yan. For example number 1, So ito, so copy lang natin yung base na 2. Then multiply natin yung exponent na 4 times 2. So it becomes 2 raised to 8. And then ganun kapag constant term, so simplify natin ito. 2 raised to 8 is equivalent to 256. So ito yung sagot natin for number 1. How about number 2? So 4 is 2, and then meron exponent sa labas na 3. So copy natin yung base na 4, and then multiply ng exponent na 2 times 3. So it becomes 4 raised to 6. So 4 is ibig sabihin, 6 na beses natin i-multiply yung 4. So equivalent natin yan ay 4,096. Okay, yan ang sagot natin. How about number 3? A raised to 3, the exponent na sa labas na 3, so multiply. So A raised to 9. Ganun lang ang pagsasagot natin. Ganun din sa number 4. So copy natin yung base na 4, and then 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Number 5, copy natin yung base na C, and then 5 times 6 is equal to 30. How about number 6? X raised to 10. So copy natin yung X and multiply natin yung exponent dito sa 2. So 10 times 2 is equal to 20. Okay, so ganun lang po yung pag-solve natin ng power of a power. Okay. The next law of exponent under product rule is power of a product. So for example number 1, so pag meron kayong makitang ganito, so ito, meron tayong dalawang variable sa loob ng parenthesis. So pag susunod natin dito, multiply lang natin yung exponent by exponent. Ito dito siya. So since wala kang makikita exponent, automatic meron tayong 1. Diba? So multiply natin to. So 1 times 2, okay, becomes x. 1 times 2, then dun sa y naman, so we have y, then copy natin yung 3, multiply natin dito sa exponent na 2. So it becomes x squared. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6. Okay. Next, example number 2. So, meron tayong constant. So, the same pa rin, meron tayong exponent of 1. So, we have 3 raised to 1 times the exponent of 3. Then, how about the variable m? So, 3 times natin sa exponent na 3. Then, we have 3 raised to 3. Then, m, right? So, 3 times 3, we have 9. So since ang constant natin meron siyang exponent, simplify natin yan. So tatlong beses natin i-multiply yung 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3 is equal to 27. Then n raised to 9. Okay, yun lang. Example number 3. So same. So ito, we have 2. 1 times 2, we have 2. Ito naman, how about the C? 2 times 2, we have 4. Yung D, so 3 times 2, meron tayong 6. Since ang constant natin may exponent, so simplify natin yan. 2 times 2, we have 4. C raised to 4, then D raised to 6. Ito po yung final answer natin. Example number 4. So same. So 5 times 4, meron tayong 20. 5 times 3, y raised to 15. Okay, next example. Number 5. So multiply natin 4 by 5. So e raised to 20. And yung f natin, so 6 times 4. 6 times 4, meron tayong 24. So that is the final answer. And how about the last example? For the power of a product. So, multiply natin yung 6 sa 2. So, yung A natin exponent yung magiging 12. Ang B naman ay 4 times 6. So, say, meron tayong 24. And yung C natin, exponent ng C becomes 18. So 3 times 6 is equal to 18. So ganun lang ang pagsusolve natin ng power of a product. Okay? So kung meron kayong tanong about sa left exponent, so huwag mayang mag-comment dito sa comment section natin.